Hey, I'm back with another spring reset style video. Today we're gonna focus solely on your living room. I'm gonna give you 5 different things to declutter and refresh for spring. And like the last reset video, I'm gonna give you quick wins for each item, something that you can get started maybe even while you're watching this video. So let's get going. Number 1, we're gonna declutter books and magazines. Your quick win is gonna be any magazine in there that is older than 3 months, let's pull it aside. We're gonna recycle it, or if you don't like the idea of recycling, donate it to a local school. Usually they can use it for collages, some kind of art project, and it can make you feel a little bit better about, not just putting it in the trash, right? These types of things just accumulate without, much notice. So if there's books in your living room, on a bookshelf, that you haven't read or that you're not going to read again. Maybe you've read it, you're not going to read it again. You haven't read it, you're not going to read it. Do a book swap, donate it, give it to a friend, donate it to your kids' library. You get it. Number 2, we're focusing on cord and tech organization. Your quick win is going to be unplug all of the cords that you're not using and put them in some type of organizer. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. Put it in a bag, put it in a box bin, anything like that. Get it out of the way. And it's instantly doing all of this, like cord and tech organization, makes your living room instantly look 10 times cleaner. All right, the exact amount is to be determined, but it looks instantly cleaner and you really haven't done a whole lot. All right, so along with any kind of random cords on the floor, cords, remotes, anything that you don't use, maybe it goes to something that you no longer have, you don't know what it goes to, pull those things aside and go ahead and donate them. Obviously ask the other members of your house if they know what they are first, but then get rid of it. Cords, chargers, all those things, remotes are one of those things that a lot of times when we get a new one, we aren't super good, at least in our house, about removing the old ones. Right. Number 3, let's talk about throw pillows and blankets. We're gonna swap them out. We kind of touched on linens last time. This is specifically for the ones in your living room, not the ones on all the beds and all that. Your quick win, go ahead and take any pillowcases off of your decorative pillows and any blankets you have in your living room, go ahead and wash them right now. Now, if you are the type of person that rotates out your blankets for seasonal items, do that now as well. But as you're going through and as you're washing, pull aside the ones that you no longer love, get rid of those ones, and then go ahead and start pulling out your lighter ones. Again, if you just use the same throw blankets year round, no big deal. But I know sometimes, like I have kind of a heavier one. I have this heavy one. I'm not gonna use this in summer, right? So I can wash that and put it away and only leave the lighter, kind of more cotton, linen, airy kind of materials for spring. Something that you're just getting cozy with, not necessarily trying to stay super warm with. So go ahead, wash those things, swap out the heavy chunky knits for lighter materials, springtime. Just make it feel like spring in here. Number 4, coffee table, shelf, and decor reset. Quick win, you're gonna clear your coffee table off completely, and we're only putting back what is absolutely necessary, and we'll kind of touch on what that means now. Your coffee table, your shelves, basically any space in your living room is prime real estate, right? This is probably one of the rooms, if not the room, that you and your family spend the most time in. So it does not need to be a dumping ground. If there's old mail, junk, whatever it is on your coffee table, let's go through and get rid of that first of all. If there's stuff that belongs in other rooms, put that in other rooms. Then let's style your coffee table and the shelves intentionally. Is it a plant that you love? Maybe it's some pretty springtime flowers. Maybe it's those books that you've kept, but the ones that you really actually want people to see. A true coffee table book. Maybe it's a candle. Maybe it's that cute little basket that you put your remotes in to hide them. Whatever it is, let's just be intentional about it. The rule for decor, as you're kind of going through your decor, would you buy it today? And if you wouldn't, does it really need to stay? So sometimes we have so many things, we don't really know how to be intentional about it. But sometimes the less items you have, the more those individual pieces can really shine. The pieces that you truly, truly love then can really shine. Plus, if you have less, it's less to clean. So again, you don't have to have a minimalist style. I have become more and more kind of falling into that as I get older, just because I've got toys and I've got so many things in my head that I feel like I just want less, instead of maxing it out on my shelves. But regardless of your style, let there be some breathing room and just be intentional about it. Number 5, we are going to do a streaming subscription audit. You may think, why are we doing that? We're focusing on the living room. Well, odds are a lot of those streaming services you are using in your living room. So just makes good sense. Your quick win, I want you to pull out your phone. Search in your credit card app, your debit card, your bank's app, whatever you use, search subscription. And I would almost guarantee so many of us have stuff that we have not used. If you haven't used it in the last 30 days, you may want to think about canceling it. This can save you so much money over the course of the year. Not even just that, it's just not wasting you money anymore. So we just want to know what we have, be intentional about those things, and just start the season off right. So yeah, we're resetting your space and your bank account, which who doesn't love that? So often like a free trial will turn into a service and maybe we didn't get a notification about it and just kind of ends up draining our account. We just don't even realize it. So just a friendly reminder. All right, so I want to know, which one of these are you going to start with first? Let me know if you like this type of video. I will keep doing these resets. I'm doing it in my own home, so it just makes sense to share with you guys. I love a new season. I love the fresh start it represents, and I'm just really excited about spring. Thanks for being here. I will talk to you guys soon.